Good evening, students. To install the app Split Screen, which will divide your screen in two parts. One part will be for Google Chrome and other part for Zoom ID. Zoom. Now, how you are going to perform this task? I am going to show you, my dear. First of all, you will go to Play Store. First you have to go to Play Store and search here SPLIT, split screen. Now when you will search split screen, you will be getting different apps. I am recommending you to select the fourth one, split screen multi window. This one you have to select, fourth one. I am saying from the top, fourth one, select it and install this one. Yes, it will take few seconds to install, my dear. It is of 2.70 MB. Let it be installed, my dear, and then after that click on open button. Now when you will click on open button, this interface will come. Here you have to click on create shortcut. Which one? Create shortcut. Now when you will click on create shortcut, it will ask you which app you want to keep it at top and which app you want to keep it at bottom. Top app, I want the Zoom one. I want the Zoom app. See, Zoom app. Select the Zoom app. First one it is showing at top, Zoom app. Bottom one, I want the Google Chrome. Yes, Google Chrome. And then click on save button. Now when you will click on save button, yes, and then click on add. Now when you will click on add, you will be getting, yes, one icon. You see, I am showing, yes, the last one, my dear. It is showing Zoom Chrome. It shows that this is an app which will have two apps. Yes, first one is the Zoom one, another one is the Google. Yeah, it will have the two apps in one, so that when you will open this app, you will be getting your Zoom as well as Chrome on. Now click on that one. Now when you will click on this one, you will be getting this interface which will ask you to click on enable. You click on enable. Now you go to split screen. You can see split screen is there at the bottom. You click on split screen and make this one on, and then okay. I think it is clear up to there. Now you come to your desktop. Now this is the last icon. I am clicking on that one. Now my Zoom is open, my dear. Now you have to log in. Where? Yes, to the teacher's ID. You know, if suppose I myself going to take, yes, your mock test or taking your class, then I will be clicking on join a meeting, and here I will give the teacher's ID 512512555. Join meeting and give the password as NEHS20. How you join your online class? Same way. Now what will happen? You see, my dear, now the Zoom app will, yes, wait. Here in the other mobile, I have to click on admit so that I will be joined. Now you see, it is joining, my dear. You see, it is reading. Now already you can see, already I entered there. Here you have to start your video. You start your video and your microphone should be in unmute condition. Clear? Now after that you have to go down, click on the down one. And now what I have to do, my dear, where the link has come, actually your link has to be sent where? To your WhatsApp group. Suppose I have, let me show you. WhatsApp. Now suppose in this, in your personal ID you have got this link. I will select this, I will copy this link is copied. Now I will go to Google Chrome and here I will paste the link. Here at the top I will paste the link and then enter key. Now what will happen? Your online examination will start. Now this online examination your, yes, will start, my dear. Here you have to give all your information like that. Here you see, yes, you are having your screen in, yes, having two apps. First one, that is Zoom. Yes, you will be under the surveillance of Zoom app. Your teacher is going to look at you. Yes, and downside here you can give your online examination. I hope this video will help you a lot